Hello
Hello
everybody.
everybody.
Today we are going to
Some
see
features of
a
ERP
healthcare
Next.
feature of
Today
ERP
we are
Next.
going to focus
Today
on
we are
how we
going
are
to
going to
start with
create
how
different kinds
you
of
are going to
partners,
create a particular
customers.
patient
So
and
for
maintain and
example, if you
update
need to create
details in
customers,
the
you can go
patient
to different
creation.
menus
To do
which
so,
are
you can
available
go
in
to the home
accounting,
screen where you can see shortcut
CRM
for creating
and sales
patients.
as well.
You can click on
However,
patient and
you can
create a new
also have
patient.
shortcuts which are commonly used on your home screen. As you can see, I have a screen for customer. As soon as I click, I can see all the customers
I
here.
am
I
going
have
to
some
enter the name,
filters available for the same.
enter the
To
gender,
create a new customer, on the right hand side you
define
have a
blood
new
group,
button. You can write a name.
put the date of birth.
I can do full editing here, or I can simply choose the name, the company. I can specify, see if
All
there is
these
any
details
territory
are
called
basic,
India. Yes, there is.
important,
And
and
I can click on
should be
save.
filled before registering a patient. Of course, I
As
have
soon as
option
I
to
click
edit
on
in full
save,
page. I am
I
going
would
to
be
click on
able to
save.
see
So the system has now created Nitin Patel as one of the
Apna Karma
patients.
Spirits.
I
One
am
is
going to
already
click on this
available, the
button
other
and see more
I have
details.
created again. I'm going to click
So I
on
have
this
option for entering
and I'm going to
the last day name. So I am going to enter here.
edit this.
There are some report preferences on email.
I can define whether the GST category, whether GST is registered or not
The
registered.
system will
I'm going to
automatically
pass it
calculate
on
the
as of
age.
now.
There we have options to define the
I
customer
can
details.
define
We
whether
have a
it's
lot of
disabled.
options,
Do I want to allow creation of
be it
sales invoice without
currency.
orders?
These
I
are
can
basic
define
profilings
currency and price list.
in terms
INR is
of
already defined.
territory, because
Address and contacts have
a
been
patient
defined
is
here.
also your customer.
I can put a
The
website.
personal and social details of this particular patient. I can define the relation of the patients, different allergies, medical history,
If I have to choose a non-standard receivable
and
account, I
surgical
can choose it.
history.
Otherwise, I can choose
All
the
these
same.
things can be
The
added
other
as well
details will
later
be
as well.
filled later on as
And
I
finally,
cover
more
the
information
sales
about
module
the
as well.
patient.
Once you do that, you can click on save.
I can click on save here,
Various shortcuts
and my
are
patient
available from
details are
customers,
available
be
here.
it assignation,
Apart from this, we
attachments,
can
tags,
also have the
reviews,
option to attach some
and various
files,
menus depending on
like
what modules have been
some
touched.
ID documents
If I go
associated with
back to my
this.
customer menu and I can
And
see
once this
all
particular
territories are
ID
visible here.
documents are associated,
In
I
case of
can go ahead
India, I
and
have
create
two
the
territories which are
details.
available,
Once a patient is
which
created,
is
unless
visible
it is
here.
registered, it remains in disabled state, as you can see.
That's all for this session. Thank you very much.
I'm going to click on save, and the system keeps a record of all these things. You can see that currently it is in disabled state, and once I do the registration, I would be able to make it active and use it in other processes. Thank you very much.
Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.